Markets are pushing higher today, fueled by a combination of macro tailwinds and strong momentum. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for July 1st. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 edged higher plus 0.59% to 24,006 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. With Nifty 50 moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $24,606 level above and $23,406 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is trading higher by plus 0.58%, at 76,923 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty is trading higher by plus 0.85%, at 58,033 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by how investors are reacting to Bank of America, BAC, upgraded net interest income guidance and profit outlook. Simplewald St. Bank Nifty is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $59,194 resistance and $56,872 support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. SBI climbed plus 2% to 1,047.40 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by how investors are reacting to Bank of America, BAC, upgraded net interest income guidance and profit outlook. Simplewald St. The Yono digital banking platform is building a retail liability moat. Corporate loan book quality, the historical weak spot, is now at decade-best levels. The dividend policy has become more generous. Watch for any RBI guidance on priority sector lending norms that could affect cost ratios. TCS is down minus 2.41%, trading at 1,982.60 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. North American BFSI IT spending is at an inflection point. Any signal of budget revival from U.S. banks and insurance firms would drive a TCS earnings upgrade cycle. The AI co-pilot and automation deal pipeline is the differentiation story for the current cycle. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.24. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin buy. What's moving markets? Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is TCS. TCS dropped sharply minus 2.41% to 1,982.60 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. North American BFSI IT spending is at an inflection point. Any signal of budget revival from U.S. banks and insurance firms would drive a TCS earnings upgrade cycle. The AI co-pilot and automation deal pipeline is the differentiation story for the current cycle. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.